Hello and welcome back to Takion. Today we're going to take a closer look at the order settings. You will learn how to build new orders, see how the most common orders should be programmed, as well as witness the execution of these orders in live action. Let's begin by going to a market maker window, right click, go to settings, and choose orders. This will take you to the main order settings window. Let's familiarize ourselves exactly what are the options that are available. Up here we see that there are 6 different categories of the orders. They are direct, which are your buy limit orders, sell limit orders, buy and sell stops. Swipe are your buy swap through. These are your aggressive orders when you wish to just take the stock and you name the price, how far you're willing to pay through. For example, the current offer. Borrow allows you to locate the stock directly using a hotkey. Cancel orders and aggregate orders allow you to build custom orders. For example, if you wish to bid for JP Morgan, you can create an order that will send out the size of your choice across as many different destinations as you wish. Let's go back to direct orders. And we will begin by going through all the different settings here on your screen. First stop is the side. It can be buy, sell, close, or add. Be it a market order. You will choose which size you want the order to initialize on. You will choose your share size. Be it a tier, percentage of your tier position, a percentage of your position for the close positions, and you can also choose a percentage of your current position which you wish to add. This area here is where you will be putting in your characteristics, and up here we see that there are 6 different values, and this is set to first, not 0, and we will explain that shortly. You can choose your display size, whether you want your order to be displayed, or if you change it to 0, your order will be hidden. Time in force, destination, routing, whether or not you want your order to be adjustable using your hotkeys. Price dynamic allows the price of the stock to be current updating in your order window once it pops up. This is the area in which you will use to build your stop orders, be that native, trailing, or synthetic. If it's a trailing stop, you will choose the value. And the pegs allow you to buy a stock or sell a stock, for example, without chasing it. So if you have a stock that is going up very strongly, you can program a buy limit order if you don't wish to chase it, and you will choose the value here, and that value will be how far the stock has to drop before your order goes out. So let's familiarize ourselves a little closer with the orders. And first stop is the buy stop. In our case, it's programmed to F9. Buy stop should be built in the following way. Side is buy, market order. In our case, we have chosen for the order to initialize 10 cents above the current offer. Time in force is the tier. Adjustable price dynamic, destination, routing, and the position current. So let's take a look in real time. Set buy stop 200, F9, and we can see that because the price dynamic is checked off, the price is moving, and you can also change the price using your hotkeys that are set up on your keyboard. Up next is F10, which is your buy adjustable, and this is the order is adjustable. Buy, same side, we wanted to initialize in this case on the bid. Destination, routing. So if we hit F10, you can see the window pops up here because it is adjustable, and again we can use our hotkeys to change the price. F11 is a market order, is a buy market. So there is a check here, and if we hit F11 and F7 is the opposite, sell market, as you can see it works extremely fast. F12 is set to be a buy swipe through. In this case, we don't want it to be a market order, nor do we want it to be a limit order. We're willing to pay through the offer. Side is buy. We're willing to pay 5 cents through the offer. Therefore, you see aggressive is highlighted, and time in force is set to immediate or kill, and destination should be XCH, and the swipe type is SWIP. So just to see that in action, hit F12, we bought, F8, and we sold. Go back to the orders, and let's take a look at several more orders. We have a panic button, and what this does, it will close all of your positions, be it long, short, whatever positions you have, it will close out everything. Side is closed, market order, destinations, time in force is day, and the positions is all. Likewise, we have close all longs. In this case, again, the side is closed, market order, close all shorts. Again, position is shorts. Everything else remains the same. We have our close half position. It's built to control H. And you could see that the side is closed, market order. And here we have chosen close position. So let's say you wish to build a new order, which will close 20% of your current position. We already have a close half position set, so control H. So now we can name a new order. Close fifth position. Side is closed, market order. We have to get rid of this value here, close half position. We'll choose close position and choose 1/5, so that it's 20%. Click add. Now we can hit add here, which will put the order into the system. Now we have to find the order, type in the name of the order you just created, hit enter. You can see that it pops up here, highlighted. You will choose the hotkeys that you wish to use to map to this order. You can do Control E, double click it, hit apply, and now the order is mapped. So to see it in action, we'll buy 500 shares of JP Morgan, and we hit Control E, and now we see that there's only 400 shares left. And we can hit Shift F4, which is close all longs, and we're now flat. Let's go back to the settings. Orders, we have in the swipes, we can also have buy swipe half tier, map to Shift FB, buy opposite side. We're willing to pay 5 cents through the offer, and we have chosen here for it to be 1/2 of your current tier. Go back to direct orders, and let's take a look at the shortcuts that are available here. We have an order that has been programmed, and it is called buy close tier position, and you see here the value is set to first not 0. So in this case, it is a buy order, and the order here will give the stuff at the top will have priority. So if you currently do not have a position in the stock, it will buy your tier. However, if you're short the stock, it'll come up as closed position. So if we do not have a position in JP Morgan and we hit Shift Control B, it'll be a buy order. You can hit enter and we're long. However, if we're short the stock and we hit the same key, Control Shift B, it will now close your position. Likewise, if we add to another short, sell another 200 shares, and we hit Shift Control B, it now comes up as your current position, as you can see. Go back to orders. We have our control T is closed third of the position. Again, we just got to make sure that the right value is chosen and mapped here. Let's now take a look at a trailing stop and what it looks like. By stop trailing, we have it mapped to Control Alt B. And the way this should be built is side is by, market order. And you will set a value. You will choose, instead of native, you will choose trailing. And you will set a value how many pennies. In our case, opposite side, above, it will be. So let's see the order in action. We'll choose Google and Control Alt B. You'll see that T bid, it's a trailing from the bid. So we have it set to 10 cents. We hit enter. And the stock just went up 10 cents, and you could see it got executed immediately. Again, let's choose a slower stock, JP Morgan. Hit Control Alt B. And we can see that we could see our order here again because we have the orders checked off. And as soon as the stock will go up 10 cents, the order will get executed from this current price. And we've canceled the order by using escape. Let's now take a closer look at our cancel keys. We have cancel set to escape. In this case, it is set to the all positions. It applies to all orders, buys, sells, and shorts. Order all, whether it's youngest, oldest, in between, time and force, and order types. F2 is the cancel last order. Again, you would choose the time and force, order types. Make sure that you have them all checked off if you wish to have the oldest order canceled. Right here, for the current position, or all, and the side. F1, cancel last order for the current position, youngest order, and it applies to time and force, order types, and the side, to all of them. This has been the presentation of Takion. Stay tuned.